Now children, let's start with chapter number 7, World of AI. In this chapter, I will tell you about artificial intelligence. Now you can see a complete word is full of AI. We are using so many artificial intelligence technologies. So intelligence क्या होता है? It's the ability to learn and deal with new situation. ये एक ability है जिससे हम learn करते हैं, deal करते हैं नए situation के साथ. So when a computer or a robot solves a problem or uses language, it may seem to be intelligent. So in this type of intelligence, which is different from human intelligence, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Artificial intelligence कहते हैं. So artificial intelligence come from sets of instructions that people write. ये क्या है? Set of instructions जो लोग लिखते हैं. So the instructions को क्या बोला जाता है? Programs बोला जाता है. So you can see that computer use program. Computer program का use करते हैं analyze करने के लिए, study करने के लिए large amount of information quickly. Then they pick answers or actions from any among the choices. Computer programs can be used for playing games, making medical decisions, translating language and even designing computers. So in other words, artificial intelligence ये क्या है? Ability है of a computer program or a machine to think and learn. It is also a field to study which tries to make computers smart. To understand these simple terms, let us take a look at an example. How does a self-driving car works? अब हम बात करेंगे जो self-driving car है वो कैसे work करती है. So the machine is trained to understand how human drive car and machine use past data to learn and then perform the same tasks without being explicitly programmed to do so. So for that, advantages of artificial intelligence, what are its? ये क्या है? AI क्या है? Limitless है. So we use it in various sectors in today's world. Like let's read its advantages. So first you can say reduction in human error. देखो human कुछ काम करता है तो होता है, ये nature होता है कि कुछ ना कुछ error हो ही जाता है. So for that AI make every decision जो किस पे based होता है? Information gathered previously and algorithm. If properly programmed, अगर आप उसको properly program कर रहे हो तो the errors are minimized. जो error होते हैं वो minimized हो जाते हैं. Then we have zero risk. Human can avoid many risks by assigning tasks to AI robot. Machine with metal bodies, they are resistant and can survive unfavorable atmosphere. Whether they are diffusing a bomb, traveling to space, exploring deepest section of the ocean. They can deliver accurate work. तो accurate work को deliver कर सकते हैं with higher responsibility and are less prone to wear and tear. ठीक है, they are less prone to wear, ज़्यादा इनमें wear tear नहीं होती. Then we have 24/7 availability. So AI can work endlessly without a brain. They can think much faster than human and perform multiple tasks at the time with accuracy. They can even handle tedious repetitive jobs easily with the help of AI algorithm. Then we have computer programs like Siri or Alexa, जो हम smart technology की तरह use करते हैं to recognize speech and respond. Then we have digital assistant. What is digital assistant? Some highly advanced organization which use digital assistant to interact with user, which saves the need for human resource. Digital assistants क्या है कि हम use करते हैं for many website to provide thing that user want. जो भी user को चीज चाहिए वो हम provide करते हैं. Then we have new invention. AI has had been coming out with new invention in almost every domain, solve complex problem. ठीक है, ये क्या करते हैं? जो सोल्व प्रॉब्लम होती है उनको सॉल्व करते हैं बाय प्रोवाइडिंग इनसाइट्स फ्रॉम डाटा एंड देन यूज द डाटा टू मेक बेटर डिसीजन. और फिर ये डाटा का यूज करते हैं बेटर डिसीजन लेने के लिए. नेक्स्ट इज फास्टर डिसीजन. यूजिंग AI technology, you can make machines take decisions faster than human and carry out action quicker. While taking a decision, human will analyze many factors. वो emotionally भी practically भी बहुत सारे factor को analyze करेगा. For that, we have daily applications. So, daily applications such as Apple Siri, Windows Cortana, Google, OK Google, frequently used in our daily routine, whether it is for searching a location, taking a selfie or making a phone call, or replying to mail and many more. Then artificial intelligence has various applications in today's society. It is becoming essential for today's time because it can solve complex problem efficiently or multiple इंडस्ट्री. आपका हेल्थ केयर हो गया, एंटरटेनमेंट हो गया, फाइनेंस हो गया, एजुकेशन हो गया. It is making our daily life more comfortable and faster. Then AI in our daily lives. Let's study about some AI in our daily lives. It is a wide range of applications in our daily life, like we using a search engine, navigating map, streaming videos and song, using face recognition, using smart devices and mobile banking. ये क्या है? कुछ AI टेक्नोलॉजी है that we use in our daily life. नाउ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस वर्सेस ह्यूमन इंटेलिजेंस. अब दोनों का डिफरेंस दिया है, दोनों एक दूसरे से अलग है. एआई मशीन डिपेंड ऑन डाटा गिवन, और ह्यूमन किसका यूज करता है? हम किसका यूज करते हैं? अपने ब्रेन का. ठीक है. इट टेक्स मच मोर टाइम टू एडजस्ट टू अनयूज चेंजेस, लेकिन ह्यूमन क्या होते हैं? चेंजेस जल्दी से अडेप्ट कर लेते हैं. मशीन कैन हैंडल मोर डाटा एट स्पीडी, बट ह्यूमंस कैन नॉट बीट द स्पीड ऑफ द कंप्यूटर, क्योंकि ह्यूमन से ज्यादा तेज स्पीड में काम करते हैं. Artificial intelligence aim to build machine that can mimic human behavior and perform human like action. लेकिन जो human intelligence होती है वो adapt करती है new environment by utilizing the combination of different cognitive process. Then we have types of AI. Let's study about the different types of AI. We have weak AI and strong AI. So weak AI, it is also called narrow AI. It is a type of artificial intelligence that is limited to a specific area. Machines powered with weak AI, they are designed to perform a particular task with the intelligence. The digital assistant like Google Assistant, Alexa and Siri, what they represent? They represent weak AI. Then we have strong AI. For strong AI is also known as full AI. They are powered with strong AI and have mind of their own. The machine can think, they can accomplish multiple tasks on their own. So science 5 movies like Terminator and AI Robot, they are the example of strong AI, and advanced robotic comes under strong AI. जितने भी आपके advanced robotics हैं वो किसके अंदर आते हैं? Strong AI. Now let's study about the Sophia, the human AI. इसको citizenship भी मिली है South Arabia की. Sophia is a human-like robot which marked the beginning of the strong AI, depicting the future of advanced robot and AI research. It is developed by Hong Kong-based company Hansos Robotics. Sophia built with latest advances in AI. It is an acting weighted on February 2016. It has designed to learn and adapt to human behavior और human के साथ work करता है. It is interview around the world. So in October 2017, Sophia became a citizen of Saudi Arabia. ये citizen बनी Saudi Arabia की, and it is the first robot to receive citizenship of Qatar. Her ability to imitate human gesture make her one of its kind, and she speaks softly and intelligently. Become very popular and gained many fans by impressing people. ठीक है, इसने लोगों को बहुत impress भी करा है. And with the evolution of science, one could imagine fictional dreams to become a reality with the unstoppable journey of AI. So जो AI है, it can both. ये help भी करता है और environment को hurt भी करता है. Right? This was all about AI. Hope you understood each and everything. That's all for today. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.